Hi, welcome to Twist Fashion DIY. So today I'm going to be upcycling this old men's shirt. It has stains, like paint stains on the sleeve there. So can't really give that to charity. So let's make it into something else. So I'm going to start by cutting the sleeves off. Now I'm going to turn it inside out. I've turned it inside out and tried it on and pinned it into place. So this is what needs to come off. And then you could use an old shirt like that fit shoe as a guide, but I'd rather pin it on myself just for the perfect fit. So I'm going to sew these seams and then show you. So I'm going to use the zigzag stitch so the edges don't fray. So put it on 15. There we go. Make sure that's all flat at the back. So I'm just cutting off the excess fabric with my zigzag scissors, my crimp scissors. So even though I've done a zigzag stitch, the zigzag also prevents it from fraying. The zigzag cut. So just being a double careful. And then I'm going to hem the arm like a full inch. That's coming in with a straight stitch along there. And this is what it looks like. So I've left these bits to tie, and then this is how short I've taken it up to and taken in the sides. So I'll just tie this. I could take the shoulder in 1 more inch maybe, not sure, because that makes my shoulders look quite wide, doesn't it? So there we go. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe for more DIYs and we'll see you later. Bye.